Save guys, welcome to another video here on first configurations, the basic settings for the first flight, and now in campo doing some testing here. The first flight of the Mini 2, I will try to do more or less the same path that I did on the last flight of the Mavic Pro. YouTube using here as a camera configuration, right, image quality, the same configuration that I used on the Mavic Pro was the last flight. That we did there. We can make a comparison shooting at 2.7K at 24 frames per second. Not for my perception, I see no difference from the loss of quality in relation to the Mac Pro 11 filming that we did the time. Okay. Well, yes, now a little bird has passed here in the front that looks, see, I don't see loss of quality. It is a drone, yes, entry as a drone, much lighter than the Mavic Pro, but it has at least filming and flight features very similar to the Mac Pro. The Claro must forbid time resources more. It has anti-sensor, but are situations that we will not use. After you take a little more the hand of the drone you will not use. The anti-frontal collision sensor, at least, so you'll have a certain experience. You won't put yourself in risky situations. Of course, everyone's recipe is an accident, but I believe it's less often than the more experienced ones. Don't put yourself right eye. I thought it was cool. When I saw you these meters, I already took the end of the year 2020 and the beginning of 2021, and, at the time of activation, I already had to kill the firm's name in this update. It already came with a zoom option in the footage. What? Was eaten. I'm going to lift it up a little bit tall. I'm going to give these one in this way here in this roundabout. See? Do not lose personal quality. The loss of quality, me in my opinion, it is acceptable. You're doing it together, huh? I'm sure it's a digital one, but for the quality of the footage, for the quality of the camera, you don't lose so much. So I thought this course was already excellent. He had on the drone only. It is not continuous as it is today the Mac 21, right? Then you have it once and twice. I use it, so when you click on two of those loud, right, it's not those two continue. And now in update, firmly, it allows you to give one of them in a very cool way. Very cool. I was impressed to see you guys. Look how cool. That cool is really cool. I'm talking here, I'm using Mini 2. I'm not even using the superior equipment, would be the R2D2. One is a Mini 2 Android entry, so watch the DJ. There is evolving your drones in a way. Entry drone today is superior. I would even say that it is superior to these drones, almost older professionals. Of course I can't buy the quality of yet image. Of the 2 Pro, of the Phantom 4 Pro with 1002, it has a lot to do. This kind of comparison are drones with actually superior cameras, but for an entry drone that is a Mini 2. That way I'm impressed, really impressed. Honestly speaking, I need those resources that the Pro had before. I don't really need that. Done that resource. Follow me. Volume 1 used it only once, and all those other features that are there and I practically never. I used this when we fly. We use glue. The drone does the filming of Sousa. It's very deep, at least in my use. Of course I'm not generalizing. I'm very satisfied mainly for the zoom features that the Mini 2 has. What? See, I'm going to change some money here these days. I'm here 200 meters from home, okay? That's it. I'm taking a spin here in this fountain that the entrance to the city. Look how cool, people, look how cool, right? Look at where the quality loss is here. Look here, zoom, really cool, really very pleased. I like the Mini 2, I think it is. A drone that gives easily to recommend personnel and flight skill. The safety in flight treme doesn't threaten to lose control. Absolutely, it's windy. It's windy. There's nothing of def effect. There's nothing not strong but for a mini drone. Get a wind like he's staring here. I'm really impressed. The other thing that I found very cool, I'm also not having a hard time. Not a sign. I'm now you putting me in the position he is now. I'm behind a wall. Okay, wow. Lady passed, the bird passed by licking drone here. This is a problem. Omni 2% small. The birds, I don't know what it is right there because it is smaller than them. Right then we have to be careful with that when the bird is bigger than. The drone she faces, and now the time is not here around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. There is a time that the birds are returning to their boys there. But guys, thanks. If you liked the video, leave your like and your comments. Leave it in the comments. What did you think of the images of the Mavic Mini 2? Right, of the Mini 2 that you found you liked, did not like. It is not worth it. Leaves your comments. So let's exchange ideas. Let's go. Personal beauty. Big hug and see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content, and leave us a comment about what you think we should review next. See you in the next video.